Hello people. In this video I want to show you a few tips that make working with Godot much more convenient.
The first tip which I want to show you is that you can move whole lines in the code easily. Move them up and down and place them where you want. Simply highlight the line you want to move. Then hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and you can move the line up or down with the arrow keys. You can also move multiple lines. Like this. Tip number 2. I'll show you how to bracket out several lines at the same time. Select multiple lines. And now, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press K. And if you want to get rid of the hash sign, then mark again the lines. And again. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and press K.
Tip 3.
Insert an image in the Godot Launcher. If you add an image to your project, then it's much easier to find. Instead of the same Godot logos over and over again. First of all, drag and drop your image into your Assets folder, here. The image does not need to be in icon format, at least, that is the case with my Godot version. I have version 3.5.2. After you have done that, click on Project Settings. Here, at Application, in Config, at Icon, here. Now go to your Assets folder, here, and select your image. Then click Open. Then click Close. Then click on Project again. And click Quit to project list. Then click on Save and Close. That's it. Now your game has an image in the launcher.
Tip 4.
When you start your game, by default, you see the Godot image, with the label, here. If you want to change this, and instead, have your own image appear, you can do it like this. Click on Project Settings, at Application, click on Boot Splash. Click on the folder symbol for image, here. Go to your Assets folder, here. Select your image, then click on Open, then click on Close. My picture is in PNG file, so it works without any problems. I don't know if it also works with other image file formats. You'll have to try it out. I think that also depends on what Godot version you are using. As I said, I used version 3.5.2. If you start your program now, your picture will appear, and no longer the Godot logo.
Tip 5.
To search faster in the script, use the Control key on your keyboard. If you hold down the Control key in the script, you can find your own variables, functions, etc. Just hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and click on a variable. Then you will jump to the line where the variable is defined. This also works if you use in your script a function or variable from another script. Then the cursor jumps exactly to this script, and to the exact line where the function or variable is located. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye.